Why are you so happy?
Mommy, let me see in that video.
Why are you so happy?
Because I got this.
What is it?
Games inside it.
It's only got sports.
Sports?
Sports. Another one's coming, but it didn't come yet.
This?
It's called Mario Brothers Kart.
Mario Brothers
Kart. Santa ran out of it, and Santa says he'll have to bring it to you next time. Okay?
What's inside this though?
It's Wii Sports. Come here, let me see.
Is there sports in there?
Bring it over here, let me see.
Is there sports?
Pick it up.
Well, Mommy, is there sport?
I don't know. I have to look at it. If you pick it up and give it to me. It has in it